The Apple Watch Ultra 3 uses LTE for cellular connectivity on EE, not 5G. Ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or later and has an active EE data plan. Open the Watch app, select Setup Cellular, and choose EE. Follow the prompts to add a cellular plan through EE's website or app. The watch will download an eSIM profile and activate LTE. Once activated, test by disconnecting from Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. An LTE icon should appear. This setup allows you to make calls, send texts, and stream music without your iPhone nearby. LTE enables key features like emergency SOS, fall detection, and international roaming. Basic EE plans offer capped data around 1 GB per month. Battery life decreases to approximately 24 to 30 hours with active LTE. While 5G is absent, LTE provides reliable coverage. EE provides LTE coverage for 99% of the UK population, ensuring reliable connectivity. Future trends suggest Apple may add 5G support in later models like the Ultra 4, but LTE will remain essential for affordability and reliability. Users are choosing LTE for its better battery life and stable connectivity in rural areas.